Hey everyone! Welcome back. If you're having trouble with the Microsoft News feed not showing up on your Microsoft Edge new tab page, you're not alone. It can be super frustrating when your personalized news isn't loading as it should. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to get that feedback on track. So, let's dive right in and get that news up and running again. First, click the three dots at the top right corner of your Microsoft Edge browser, then go to Settings. Go to Start, Home, and New Tab page. You can see that the new tab is set to redirect to Easy PDF Combine. So we will turn that off to enable the newsfeed display on new tabs when Edge starts. You now have MSN News feed on Microsoft New tabs. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos.